Common issues with septic tanks and treatments. Septic tanks are essential for managing household wastewater, but they can develop issues if not properly maintained. Problems like clogs, leaks, and drain field failures can lead to costly repairs and environmental hazards. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 common septic tank problems and how to fix them. 1. Clogged pipes. Blocked pipes can slow drainage and cause backups. This happens when grease, food, or non-biodegradable materials build up. Treatment. Use enzyme-based treatments, avoid flushing anything other than toilet paper, and get pipes professionally cleaned if needed. 2. Tank overflow. A full tank can cause sewage to back up into your home or yard. This usually happens due to infrequent pumping or excessive water use. Treatment. Pump the tank every 3 to 5 years and reduce water waste by using efficient fixtures. 3. Drain field problems. If the drain field gets clogged or flooded, wastewater may pool on the surface and emit foul odors. Treatment. Keep heavy objects off the drain field, direct rainwater away, and get professional aeration if needed. 4. Bad smells. Strong sewage odors can come from a full tank, poor ventilation, or drain field failure. Treatment. Pump the tank regularly, check the vent stack for blockages, and use bacterial additives to break down waste. 5. Tank cracks and leaks. Over time, tanks can crack due to shifting soil or tree roots, leading to leaks and groundwater contamination. Treatment. Inspect for cracks, seal minor ones with waterproof epoxy, or replace the tank if damage is severe. 6. Slow drains. If sinks, tubs, or toilets drain slowly, it may indicate partial blockages or a failing system. Treatment. Use septic-safe cleaners and distribute water usage to prevent overloading. 7. Groundwater contamination. Leaky tanks can release nitrates into groundwater, affecting well water quality. Treatment. Test well water regularly and upgrade the system if contamination occurs. 8. Algae growth in water bodies. Leaks can introduce excess nutrients into nearby lakes or rivers, causing algae blooms. Treatment. Maintain the drain field and use nitrogen-reducing systems if necessary. 9. Tree root invasion. Tree roots can break into pipes, leading to blockages and structural damage. Treatment. Keep trees away from the septic system and use root-killing treatments if needed. 10. Bacteria imbalance. Septic tanks need bacteria to break down waste, but chemicals and antibacterial products can kill them. Treatment. Avoid harsh cleaners and add bacterial treatments to restore balance. Regular maintenance can prevent septic system failures. Pump the tank on schedule, avoid overloading the system, and address small problems before they turn into costly repairs. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.